So today we're unboxing a drone, more specifically the DJI Air 3S. Now, I've never played with one of these before, so I'm really looking forward to this. And yeah, I have it for a while until I have to send it back to the company that sent it to me. So yeah, let's do that unboxing. So right out the box, you can see it has this very nice carry bag and feels real sturdy. Has a strap that's built in, so it's not removable. It's adjustable, but it's built in. And there's this handlebar thing as well for, I don't know, yeah. So there's this, and then there's the strap if you don't want to use the strap. As you can see, not much to it, just a standard USB-C cable. This, I assume, is to charge, but we'll get through that. Then, next thing is the ND filters. If I'm being completely honest, I don't really know what ND filters are, but from what I can understand, these have to do with filtering light and the colors that come into your camera system. Just like when you use an app filter on your face, these have sort of, I presume, a similar effect on terms of how the image quality comes through. Yeah, so it's ND8, ND32, ND128. It's a nice package actually, solid, which means these are fragile to an extent, but yes. And the next we're gonna have propellers, and let's see what these look like. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'm propeller A. Let's see, let's just figure this out. Propeller A, propeller A, propeller A, propeller B, propeller B, propeller B, A, B, A, B. So 2 4 6 8 10. So what it looks like takes two A's go into one corner and two B's go into the other corner. So then we'll have what, 1 2 3, so 1 2 3 4 5 sets. Yeah. Then we have the controller. So the controller itself is, and this was, I think, an important factor, is that to get so there's two types. There's one where you don't get the extended range antennas, I think, and there's one where, okay, so that's how it looks. Sure. You grab these and screw them in like that, and then they become like okay, so there's the rocker volume like controls. I presume that's the record button, and that's the record button, and that's the button to take stills while in flight mode. So if you see a picture of it, so when you're looking at something and you're like, oh, that will make a nice picture, it's an easy tick away there. Then next is the battery. Let's look at this. So charging station again, let's see. Yeah, so looks like plug in the cable here and you just stick them in, clip them in, pull them. Oh yeah, I thought I was breaking it, but yes, you just clip them. They've got a couple of buttons there to do what, so you clip them in and you plug that in. So if you want to charge all 3 batteries, that's how. Oh, there's a release button at the back. Reading, very important. Yeah. Last but not least, the actual device itself. Nice and small, looks interesting. I have no idea how any of this works, but yes, so this is what it looks like. And I think, let's see, this goes there, this opens up that way, this goes there. Yeah, first impressions, I can see that there are a lot of cameras and sensors. This I really like, which is like a protector for the main head. Do that. The battery itself, let's see, I think, yeah, so this is where the extra battery is, and it goes into the back just like that, and then it tells you, hey, I've got power. Shouty. The propellers, I think, are installed there. And now I could sit here and talk about the specs and stuff like I'm an expert, but which I'm not. This is my first experience with a drone, so there's a lot of let's call it experimenting that's going to happen, just so that I also figure out how to fly it. I also figure out how other things around it work, like the ND filters. I don't know. Looks like it rotates. There we go. Hey, genius. So yes, so this is what the normal wide lens looks like, and the ND filters look like that. So that's the clear one, and these are the ND filters. So they go in. They go in, they clip, and then they rotate, and then they stick with magnets. So the controller itself feels quite good on the hand. Smaller screen than a phone. Let me see if I switch this on. That's the controller going on. Has a nice sound to it. The controller is not too. It has grips on the back, extra back controllers. Does feel very similar to what a console controller would feel like. Yeah, it is slightly bigger, but it doesn't feel foreign to the touch. And yeah, similar things. This has a shoulder button and a trigger. This has adjustable that and 2 shoulder buttons. On the side, I've got analogs here. These are the analogs, and not a lot more buttons. So I still don't know how to fly. I mean, this feels like the first day a couple years back when I was a child. First time trying Flight Simulator, and I was like, what is happening? Kwenzakalani la? So yeah, I'm going to try it, hopefully get the hang of it. But yes, the unboxing of the DJI A3S drone. Now, the fun part starts. Unboxing is done, so now I'm gonna go outside and try it out.